Hi, so here I am to give you the details of PRP program. Now, before I move ahead, let me tell you this program can be a game changer in your approach towards the prelims ka examination. And let me tell you that the micro details of this particular program will be very important for you to understand the program well and to utilize it well. So please try to be there with me until the end so that you are able to utilize this better. Now, what we are trying to do this, or what is the ultimate aim of the program? The ultimate aim of the program is to bring consistency in your preparation. And how we are trying to bring that consistency is through the schedule and daily test. So the central idea of this program is daily test, but let me tell you the micro details are further more important, है ना? So that you understand the essence of the program. अब since I have told you that daily test will be the central idea of this program, let me dive deep into the details of the program. So sir and ma'am, let me tell you that this particular program will be there for 3 months. In 3 months, we will be conducting your 70 tests. Now, all those tests will be conducted on daily basis except Sunday. So you heard it right, on Sunday you don't have any test. From Monday to Saturday, you will be having 6 tests. So in a week, there will be 6 tests. And out of these 6 tests, 1 test will be from CSET and 5 tests will be from GS. Now out of these 5 tests from GS, 4 will be from the static portion and 1 from the current affairs. So let me brief it that in a week, there will be 6 tests, 1 from CSET, 1 from current affairs and 4 from static. Now, every test will be of 1 hour duration and it will be conducted at same time on daily basis. And here the test will be followed with a proper discipline. Now I know it's hard on your part to bring discipline in your preparation, but let me tell you, please try it with this program. On daily basis, I request all of you to wake up at 8 and attempt the test as if you are going to attempt your final examination, and I will tell you the benefits of this thing. Before that, let me tell you the duration will be 1 hour. In 1 hour there will be around 50 questions in every test, GS test. Now, as I've already told you that the test will be conducted at 8 a.m. on daily basis to 9 a.m. Once you have given your test, what we expect from you, you take a break of let's say 10 minutes and then we will be resuming your discussion. Now take a pause. This is not a simple plain discussion, sir and ma'am. We won't be just discussing those 50 questions, but how we will be utilizing the time that for 1.5 hour you will be having a quick recap of the entire syllabus. So it is nothing but a micro revision, you can say, of the entire syllabus of the test which the faculties will be doing with you. So in that 1 hour, it will be a recap of the syllabus, or you can see the micro revision of the syllabus. Then in next 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour, we will be discussing the questions. Now what is the utility? Just understand the utility of this part. Exam abhi dur hai, but if you are able to do this now with the faculty, you will have then what I can say, the nag that what is required, what is important from the exam perspective, because you revise the important areas with the faculties. Okay, so this will be nothing but a micro revision of yours after the test. So what is happening, again I am bringing it in the perspective. Let's say on 11th you prepared for the test, on 12th at 8 a.m. you appeared in the test. Now at 9:15 on 12th date बोल रहा हूँ मैं, on 12th at 9:15 there will be a quick recap of the syllabus. We will make you revise in what I can say, in a fast forward manner, and in 30 minutes we will be discussing the whatever the questions were there in the test as well, and we will try to make you free at 12. So from 9:15 maximum at 12 noon, You will be assessing yourself, you will be revising, and you will be seeing whatever mistakes you have done in the test. Okay, now from 12 noon onwards you prepare for the next day. That is how the things will go in loop. But there is a catch, that on daily basis, sharp at 5 p.m, you will get your daily rank, maybe in your mobile or maybe in your Telegram groups, whatever you will make it for you, will let you know. You will get your daily rank, so that on daily basis you know your position. Now, why not marks? I mean, both marks and ranks you will get, but let me tell you, rank is a true, what I can say, the true mirror of your performance. The exam is all about competitiveness, right? It's all about competition. So in competition, marks are not important, rank is important, right? The cutoff may go maybe higher, may go maybe lower. It totally depends how the others have performed. So rank is something which we want you to focus upon. Okay, that you will be getting on daily basis, so that on daily basis you know that how much you have to improve now. First of all, in the subject, secondly in that area of the subject for which the test was conducted, and thirdly in overall your preparation, कितना आपको अभी improve करने की जरूरत है, right? So this is on daily basis you will be doing with us. What we need from your side is consistency and discipline. Please understand that on daily basis you have to attempt the test at the right time, and if you are late, you have to leave the test at 9:15. For example, even if you are starting your test, let's say at 8:15 or 8:20, be it offline, be it online, I will come to that, you have to wind it up by 9:15 on daily basis. Okay, so that was the micro details of PRP, but very important, why you should join the PRP, or what are the areas on which you should focus upon before joining the PRP. First of all, if you want to revise entire syllabus in 3 months, first of all, day 1 pe you will revise it on your own, then you will have test on day 2 in the morning, then in discussion wala element there will be a quick revision by the faculties. So if you want to revise your entire syllabus in 3 months, it is a must go program. Secondly, sir and ma'am, in this program you will be able to learn the handling of exam pressure. I've had many case studies, many the problems by the students who have appeared in the previous years, that sir, we were able to perform in the mocks, we were able to perform in the test of the different institutions, but when we sat in the final exam, we were not able to handle the pressure of the final exam. Now what is the way out? The way out is very simple, that on daily basis you handle that pressure. So in PRP, when you're coming on daily basis, when you're appearing in the test on daily basis, you are, what I can say, friendly with that exam pressure, and you're able to deal better with it. So you will be able to deal with the exam pressure through PRP. The third very important aspect, generally, in the different test series, or what I can say, I've heard again it from the many of the previous aspirants, whatever marks they were getting in the mocks were not reflected in the final exam. Why? Because there was a gap in the level of the questions which were there in the mock test and in the questions of UPSC. So what we are trying to bring in PRP, the very important, the distinguished feature of PRP, we are trying to bring the UPSC like level in the question set, and we will be posting the sample papers once they are out in our Telegram channels and the other platforms, public platforms also, so that you can assess yourself that the levels of questions which we will be asking will be the UPSC level. Now why this is important, please understand the perspective, understand the mindset. This is very, very important in order to assess your true position and the true standing, sir. If you'll keep on bluffing yourself now in the month of January, February, or maybe March, you won't get the time for the course correction. So it is very important that with this program you assess your true standing. Even if you're getting, let's say, 40 marks or 35 marks or 25 marks out of 100 marks in this particular program, now you know the gap. And hence the the very important feature of this, that if you want to do the course correction early in your preparation, PRP is something with which you should go with. Okay, I've seen many aspirants, what they are doing, they are following the levels. Sir, first basic level karenge until March, then we will do the some other advanced level, etc, etc. But let me tell you, if you are going with those levels, you won't get the time for the course correction. It's high time that you know whatever are your gaps in your preparation, be it in terms of marks, be it in terms of subjects, be it in terms of weak areas, be it in static, be it in current affairs. You should know it well, and by end of February you should know it. For that, PRP is something with which you should go with, sir and ma'am. It will show you the true face. Okay, it will show you the true standings. Now, the last but not the least, if you want to maintain consistency, and now it is again subjective and it totally depends on you, that if you want to do it, if you want to maintain it, PRP will help you to do it. Okay, and let me request you one thing, that please go through the syllabus of, or what I can say, the schedule of PRP1, so that you know the entire thing, the entire process, that how we will be going about it. So that is how this is, that we will be conducting a test on daily basis at 8 AM 6 days a week. You will having a discussion, come micro revision you can say, or nano revision you can say, at 9:15 along with discussion, and on daily basis you will be getting a rank. And whatever we are bringing as the component, see, it's not about the dish we are serving, it's about the ingredients which we are bringing in the dish. That is very important. The ingredients of the PRP will be a game changer in your entire preparation, and it do matter. For you, the program may be same at multiple places, but let me tell you, the ingredients or the things which will be getting under the program, maybe the level of questions, maybe the quality of discussion, maybe the quality of mentorship support, which I forgot to tell you. So you will be getting the mentorship sessions, or maybe weekly or maybe bi-weekly basis, which will keep on reorienting your preparation, will be way different than the other platforms. So how to register? If you want to register, visit our website www.sunyaayas.com. and if you want more details, if you have any questions, if you have any queries, if you want to consult, if you want to talk with someone from our team, there is a number I have provided. Please call, WhatsApp on this number, and get your query resolved. Okay, whatever are your doubts, please get it resolved on this number. Now, there may be a prominent doubt, sir, what is the mode of this particular program? So if I talk about the mode of this program, sir and ma'am, mode मतलब कैसे करेंगे? First of all, we will do it online. So even if you are at any place, at any corner of maybe not country of world, you can join the program, because all the test will be provided not only as the test portal, you will be getting the question PDF, solution PDF, everything. किसी में भी आप comfortable हो. So it will be conducted online. Not only test, the discussions will be conducted live. And discussion cum revision will be conducted live under the test, under the PRP program. Given the fact you are not joining it late, if you are joining it late, we will give you the recordings of the discussions. But please try to do it live. Live का एक अलग ही there is a different advantage of doing it live, है ना. The other very important mode is offline. And the first batch of PRP, the December batch especially, is available only at Delhi Center, sir and ma'am. Okay. So you will get the date, you will get the schedule in the description box. So at Delhi Center also you can attempt your test on daily basis. Now apart from this, if you have any other doubt whatsoever it is, please do ping us on this number or call us on this number. See you in the program. Thank you. Have a great day.